Uptick is a project built by a really good friend of DoroHacks. Xin is actually a really good friend of DoroHacks since I think 2017, 18, 19-ish, where Xin was a really core developer of another Web3 ecosystem, but now he has his own project, Uptick, right now. Last time I remember, they are aiming to build a decentralized version of Instagram. So is it still something you want to build, Xin?
Yeah, I'm so glad to be here. Yeah, actually, we already built it. Today, I hope we have the chance to demonstrate it to the guys here.
Awesome, awesome. So yeah, the stage is yours. You have 15 minutes. Yep.
Okay, thank you so much for this. Let me quickly to share my screen here. So okay, so today I'm going to talk about Uptick network. So basically, Uptick network is a NFT-based infrastructure, and also we are building a flagship app on top of that. Because in able to demonstrate it, it's better to have a application that can interact with normal users, right? Our goal is also to target at the general public, not just a crypto community. So today I'm going to have two parts. One is the introduction to the network and the application. The second part is a quick demo with all the features related to the Polygon. So, essentially we believe NFT is an essential asset container in Web3. So that's what we keep doing. As you mentioned, so we have been working on this since 2018. At that time, actually, we also use NFT to carry the e-ticket, other scenarios. So basically, NFT is the infrastructure on top of the blockchain infrastructure. So it targets as a next generation digital asset application. So because we really want to target at the business level infrastructure, because that's the only way to have real business to run on top of that instead of a lot of public demo, right? So there's a lot of essential parts for to make it a business grade infrastructure. There's a lot of factors we need to pay attention to. Today, I will especially pay attention while introduce the interchain interoperability that we build in this infrastructure and also use it in the application. So basically, Uptick project is 3 layers. So basically, in the lower layers, it's friendly to all layer 1 blockchain, and also integrate with some essential components like a decentralized storage and other services. In the middle layer is the main part of Uptick project. It's a protocol layer which contain all necessary business logics to make the NFT business can be run on top of the layer 1s. And also we wrap it into a very good module-based software SDK, so that all kind of developers can use it to build their own NFT application without, really programming on the blockchain level. So if we go into the module level, you can see a lot of blocks here. So we have different layers, different blocks. And also this is an open architecture. So in any layer and any block, so people can participate and make contributions in the future. Because we believe, just like we are in the early stage of Web3, so looking at next 5, 10, or 20 years, there are a lot of things to be built. So beyond our imagination. So the architecture should be open. So it can be open to any type of a business or developers and also business. So today I'm especially want to focus on the interoperability. So Uptick network actually started from IRISNet, which is a Cosmos key ecosystem of Cosmos. And then we build all these kind of bridges to the EVM type of blockchains, and also in the future to other blockchains. So in Polygon part is a very essential part for our interoperability. So we already made it happen in September. So the network and the application is already live, available to the market in production mode. So basically, we focus on a lot of essential part to run a real NFT-based business in Web3. So I'm not going to going through all those points. I just want to focus, mention that cross-chain transferability is very important. In order to support that, we also need to have a, say, metadata standard, right? So a lot of things to build around of that. So that's why it's not a simple token-based marketplace. It's a internet module-based infrastructure for the next generation internet. So on top of this infrastructure, we build our NFT marketplace. It's a very handy one. So it's a mobile native marketplace. So we have an iOS version, Android version. So now it's available in Android direct download, Google Play, and also Apple test flight right now. So it's all-in-one market, NFT market in your hand. So I'm going to go through the demo in a few minutes. So basically, this Uptick app, it covers most type of NFT assets. Currently, we're focusing on the digital collectibles, artworks, and e-tickets. So e-ticket is a special type of NFT, right? So you can basically, we put NFTs into two major categories. One is called a collectible NFT. So it means, it's collectible, right? So like artwork or some cards. And on the other side, there's a huge space for the functional NFT. The typical one is a ticket, right? So you need to buy the ticket, you need to redeem the ticket, right? And also the ticket can be used through the event, and after that, it will convert back to the collectible ticket, like a ticket stub. So there's a lot of usage and scenarios we can build around NFT. So this is just some typical samples in the platform. So this is artwork. This is collectible cards. And this is an event ticket. We use it for small parties and also some, any type of event you want to organize. But we still need to optimize it for the large scale, say live concert or 1,000 people type of conference. But mainly all the functions are there. So we're going to, introduce to the global community. And we also build the connection between the collectible cards, collectible and functional NFTs. For example, if you own special type of cards I issued, I can define the certain privilege and benefits for you to participate my next e-ticket, my event. right? So basically, it's like a loyalty card or membership card, but it's a dynamic one. So link the privilege between different NFTs. And of course, the cross-chain is a very important part because in my view, the NFT is a personal asset. Once you purchase it, once you own it, you should have the full right to move it around, right? To move it to the place you really want to store it and also place you want to trade it. So we already made this cross-chain very smooth in our UI. I will demo it. And also, you know, it's not just a buy or sell stuff. As you can see, the NFT market is, we had hyper early this year, but now it's kind of cooling down, right? So if you look at the transactions, it's down a lot recently. But why? Well, it's not just a buy or sell. So we want to introduce more gamification scenarios into that. For example, this is our official cooperation with Chainlink. So we are using Chainlink random number service to drive a lot of drawings or other games inside the Uptick to encourage people to publish, trade, or do something else in around the NFT they own, and around the NFT they want to sell or trade. And also we are in the pipeline, we are supporting the music, video, and also we consider this Uptick NFT infrastructure as like an asset layer to enable metaverse in the future, because an NFT is the essential asset layer, right, for the future. I would say e-commerce on Web3 e-commerce. So metaverse is a special type in this scenario. Yeah. So we also have some investors supported by several institutional investors. So next I'm going to a quick demo. So basically we want to demo three parts. One is the wallet part. It's a totally decentralized wallet embedded in the app. Second part is if you are a creator, what you can do in the app. And then if you are a buyer or owner of the NFT, what you can do, especially on the cross-chain transfer part. So now I switch to the demo video. Okay, so yeah, this is actually we pre-recorded this video because it's on mobile phone. It will be easier to play with like this. You can also directly download the app and play with that. So let me get started. So this is the starting screen. You open up the Uptick. Then you can see the default marketplace. We have a first-hand market, second-hand market, and your collection wallet, and also everything about your personal features in Me. And then in the first time you use the app, it will help you to create your account, universal account in Uptick ecosystem. So this behind it, it will have generate a set of seed phrase for you to generate all the decentralized wallet that the chance we support. So basically you need to back up your wallet. I would say this is the only place that people feel this is using a blockchain application. Other than that, people just feel it's like a normal internet app. So the first time on board, we give you several free opportunities to issue your NFT in the platform. Then let's take a look at the wallet. These are the 4 chains we are supporting. So basically, you automatically get 4 crypto wallet, totally decentralized crypto wallet inside the app. It's all embedded in the app. It's not centralized. So you can export it and import it to somewhere else. Of course, you can also import your existing wallet into Uptick if you want. So this is quickly goes through some wallet function like a normal wallet, Polygon wallet. So you can see the transactions. Let's say let's transfer a matic between the wallets. So get user authentication, then submit the transaction. So basically, you can see the transaction happened. Very quickly. Thanks for the Polygon. So you can also click on the details to browse the transaction on the Polygon scan. So just make sure it's a totally decentralized operation. And then let's take a look at if you are a creator. So in our creator page, so here I already created some NFTs in IRISNet. So I have a 50 Seaside Town NFT created on Iris chain. So I want to transfer it to Polygon, then list it into the marketplace. So I have 50. Let's transfer one. Let's transfer one to Polygon. So when you click on the transfer part, you can see some destination choice. Let's choose Polygon and confirm it. So basically, you can see it's just a simple click, and you can see it's the transaction is in progress, and you can see the status of a transaction. So it's in progress. Just like I would say express mail, right? Status timeline based on timeline. Now it's complete. You can see the all stages during the transaction. So in this transaction, it cost us about 94 seconds. So normal transaction is around 1 minute or to 1.5 minutes. So so now this one Seaside Town NFT is on top of Polygon. You can see Iris is 49, then switch to Polygon. Then you can see we have one Seaside Town here. That's listed into the marketplace. You can set the sales price here. Let's say 10 Matic, then submit to the marketplace. It's submitted, it's processing. So you can see this up arrow means list, and if you see the down arrow available, it's a delist from the market. So it's listing. Now it's already in the marketplace. Let's switch to the market. You can see we can see all mixed NFT from different chains. We can also sort by specific chains here. Let's switch to Polygon. So you can see, Seaside was on that. Now let's delist it. So we go back to the My Creation page. Let's click on this down arrow. Now it's delisted. You can see. So now let's go to the other way. So let's transfer it back to IRISNet. So the same process, actually. You can see it's very smooth. Our purpose is really to build some application to utilize this blockchain and NFT transferability with no hurdle to any normal users. So now it's back. Let's count numbers. We have 0 on Polygon, and if we switch to IRISNet, you can see it should be 50. Yeah, it should be 50. So you can see those are the assets back and forth, right? So now if you are a buyer going to the market, you can browse the marketplace, first-hand marketplace. You can switch to Polygon chain only. You can find the asset listed on Polygon. That's select one, select and submit for the purchase. So it's very smooth, right? So if you click on the wallet, it just pay the Matic to buy this NFT. So yeah, it's the order is submitted. It's the order is in process, and yeah, let's refresh the screen. It's successful. So now you can go to your collection wallet to see whether this this NFT is in your wallet already. So refresh, and it's here, right? So if you look at the detail of this this one, you can also submit it to the second-hand market with several clicks. So as a buyer, you own this and you submit to the second-hand marketplace, and it will show you this is on sale, this item. So yeah, so if you go to the second-hand market, you can see it's here. So now let's finally demonstrate the asset you own. You want to transfer it to Polygon because maybe your main wallet is on Polygon. So you bought something on IRISNet, you transfer it to Polygon. So it's, yeah, just same process, step by steps. So yeah, so this one is showing this mooncake is on Polygon, right? So now that's final step, let's transfer it back. So yeah, so as you can see, the way I want to demo this back and forth transfer is we really want to make sure it's simple enough for the ordinary users, right? As you can see, during the whole process, you don't really feel there's a lot of blockchain specific techniques you need to use, right? So it's only a few clicks, just like a normal internet app. So that's it. So let me switch back to the slides and have a few final words here. So basically today.
So Xin, is your NFT marketplace mobile only, or is it like it also supports like web version?
Currently we are mobile only. So we also have a web version under development. Web version will use those plugin wallet, right? MetaMask or those. But the purpose is that we really want to build a mobile only app first to penetrate into general public. Just like as you mentioned, I said, well, I want to build a Instagram, but Instagram should be on the go scenario, right? So it's more fun for the ordinary people to share their special moment on the go.
Got it. Cool.
Yep. So that's it. So basically today I introduced, we have a full functional NFT market on Polygon. If you switch to Polygon chain in the app, we also build a very, I would say, stable cross-chain transfer capability between Polygon and Cosmos Iris, and also to Ethereum BSC. And we really want to use these capability to build the future in a fully aggregation and liquidity sharing capability for NFT market. Yeah, that's what we are doing. So these are our social channels. Maybe you can take a look.
Cool. Got it. Yep. So as far as I know, Xin has been building this project for quite a while. I think it will be a great fit for the Polygon network since they can leverage the benefits of really low transaction fee, fast transactions. So anyone can post like a daily post on Uptick, pretty much like they post a personal picture on Instagram. Yeah, I can see like the similarities here. I think like I wonder what are your storage solutions? What storage solutions are you using right now for like storing all the assets here?
The storage, actually, we are using our in-house IPFS nodes. We build several, some IPFS nodes around the world. But in the future, we want to really connect to some, IPFS related storage solution. So because right now we really want to save it as a decentralized mode and also make sure it's performance-wise, it reach the requirements to the normal user. Yeah, so it's a combination.
Got it. Cool.
Yeah.
Yep.
And especially I want to say, because of this mobile native app and also this infrastructure we built, we already collected over 50,000 NFT in couple of months. It's really fast. People, because this on-the-go scenario, people are more willing to capture special moment and share as an NFT.
Cool. Got it. Yep, it's great hosting you today.
Thank you so much.
Xin is a veteran of DoraHack's hacker community and winner of a few of our previous hackathons. So yeah, I will strongly recommend you to check out more about their project, Uptick, and to join their social media channels and community on Telegram and other potential community places that you can join to see how you can engage with their project. Maybe you can download Uptick on your phone to try to use their product to see whether the experience is good. You can also make some suggestions to their project if you want to. And if you really like what they're building, make sure you go to HackerLink platform to go into Polygon-Grants hackathon and to vote for Uptick project if you really like what they're building. So thanks for joining us, Xin.
Thank you so much.
Have a great evening. And guys, this is the first time I've been hosting the Polygon hackathon project demo session. I'll be hosting more, me and my team, because I've seen many really good projects making steady progress in the past, I would say past month. They're all building amazing stuff on Polygon. So do check out what they're building and stay tuned to the DoraHacks community on most updated progress of this hackathon on what amazing projects the hackers have been building. We're also, I think, hosting a few other hackathons as well. So go to hackerlink.io to check all the amazing projects. And if you haven't followed DoraHacks YouTube and Bilibili channel, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for all the amazing project demo sessions, workshops, bounty, illustration sessions that we have. And I'm very happy to share all the recent updates to host all the amazing projects with the audience joining us today. So wherever you are in the world, we're here to connect you with the amazing new Web3 developers and builders. And I look forward to see you guys very soon again. So, hey, have a great one.